Alright, well, welcome back to the show, folks. And welcome to... Oh! God dang, that stings when that happens. Alright, folks, thanks for coming back again. I appreciate it. What are we doing today? I got a box in the mail. I don't want to dox anyone here. Got a box in the mail, and I don't know exactly what's in it, but I think it's got a lot of guitar-related goodies in it. I thought maybe y'all want to see this. So I'm going to bring you over here closer. We'll get right into it. It's heavy, man, to be such a little box as it is. It's heavy. We'll bring you on over here closer, and we'll cut into it. I've got my shades right here. I was wondering where they was at. And we'll see. I'll tell you who it's from, and we'll explore it together. Hold on. Set y'all over here a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. This box is really taped up. So I'm just going to cut through the tape and the tongue and everything else. It has got a whole bunch of guitar related goodies in it. And I figured you guys might want to see. Come along for the ride. Let's see, I don't want to dox anyone here. I get doing stuff sometimes, not thinking real clearly, and before I know it, I've done dox Cinder. We don't want that to happen. So how y'all doing, man? How is everybody? Getting along good, I hope. Hopefully better than I'm doing to get this box open. How about, I'll tell you what, let's just do that. I'll just pour the contents in the box, out of the box. Whole bunch of guitar related goodies, I'm thinking. This package was sent. A lot of y'all know the dude that sent me this. You're probably watching on YouTube. I'm not going to tell you his name, but I'll tell you his user channel name is Zip Fix Guitars. It used to be Zip, I think just Zip, and he changed it to Zip Fix Guitars. Alright, what do we got? Start with bag numero uno. I knew it was a heavy little box, had to have a lot of stuff in it. What do you think? This is a battery box. That's a battery box. Oh, there's two of them here. Check that out, man. It's a pickup on a saddle. There's a Piezo pickup. And I guess that plugs into the, I don't know if it plugs in here, or does just the bare wires run off of that? Yeah, just bare wires. Well, that's cool, man. Two of them. Wow, yeah, I can use that. Zip, I appreciate this stuff, buddy. Every piece of it. You know it will get used. For sure. Now what am I going to do with it? I'll show you the rest of the goods. Let's go with this one. Wow, this is clear full of goodies. I hope y'all, yeah, I think y'all can see it. Alright, what do we got here? This is a tailpiece for a guitar or a mandolin, maybe. I guess you could use it on either. Whatever you need it on, right? And this is another tailpiece. Yeah, goes that way. Strings attached there. Bolts on the butt of a guitar, like all the way down at the bottom of it. And check that out, adjustable saddles. Very cool, man. A bracket for whatever you might need a bracket for. Oh, these look like those old-time Gibson keys. Remember those? That's what that looks like. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. And 1, 2, 3 of this type. I'll just hold one up there and let you look at it. I think they're all the same. And strap buttons. I can always use these, man. I always need these. I can't keep enough of them. Alright. Wow. everything but the kitchen sink. We like that. You can never have too many parts. Me and Zip was talking, like you said, you know, sometimes you only need, like, there's a locking key. Check that out. Sometimes you only need like one thing, you know, one key to be replaced. One key to be replaced. You don't really need all of them, you know what I mean? So it's just good to have plenty of parts and keep plenty of parts around. I've got a ton of them now, but can always use more, man. Always, always, always. Alright, what is this? Gob or Good Bill? I don't know. I'll let you read it. You can tell me what it says. I don't know, man. Maybe you just use that piece of tape to hold the thing shut. It's possible. There's a bag in there too. Alright, what it is. I thought this was a light, but it's a pickup. What kind of pickup is it? Lawrence, it says on it. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Extra pickup. You can put on something sometime. I'm not sure what this right here is. Oh, this might be a part of a tail piece. I have to get it out to see, and I'm not going to because I've still got a lot of stuff to go through. But I'm going to leave that out until I determine what it is. So there's another pickup. Alright, moving on. What else we got? Oh, more keys. I like these. Yeah. You wouldn't believe what these cost if you have to buy a set of them. These for mandolin. That's the bushings or ferrels or whatever you call them where you live. Mandolin keys. Look them up, man. You would not believe what a set of even cheap mandolin keys cost. It's unbelievable. I mean, wow. You can keep those with them. But yeah, like we was talking, you know, you can always use parts. I think Zip said someone had gave him a whole bunch of stuff, and he wanted to, you know, return the favor to someone else, so he gave me a whole bunch of stuff. These are all keys of the same type. Sort of looks like the old Gibson button there. They're gold plated. I don't see Gibson on there anywhere, but who knows? It could be. I don't know what the gear ratio is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6 of them. So there's a whole set of keys if I ever need a set of keys for anything. And then, you know, situations pop up all the time that when I need keys. So I'm sure those will get used. And more keys. Whoa, dude. I'm going to build a, make a little, these are all the same. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make a little thing out of probably wood or plexiglass to pull in. You drill a little hole in the guitar. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see the guitar. Drill a tiny hole in the guitar and put a cleat inside or a brace or whatever you're working on, and then have this thing set on a little wooden block and put a guitar string on that down through the cleat, through the hole that you drill in the guitar and through the cleat, and then you wind this and it pulls the string up and pulls the cleat up wherever you want, or a brace or whatever you're working on. And I wanted a bunch of keys to make more of those things. I've got a few, but you can always, like I say, you always need more. And there's the bushings for those, and screws. Wow, you included everything, man. Yes, sir. Well, very cool, man. I do appreciate that. Now I'm going to show you all this last piece. I can't figure out what the hell it is. It's got a tiny little screw. I already lost it. There it is. Alright, what it is. one little screw right there. You know, I've seen this before. Show it to you guys. And then you have this piece. It's got a, let me hold it like this so you can see the handle. I don't know how they go together. I'll have to ask him about that. Shit, I don't even know what it is. It's got two little screws right there. They don't appear to be holding anything unless these screws go in here. And it's got one screw there. I don't know what it is, man. You're going to have to tell me what it is. But I'll use it for something, I guess. Hold on. So there you go. Man, that's a lot of stuff was in that little box. Check this out. All this was in that little tiny box. Wow. Zip, thank you, man. I appreciate it, buddy. And like I say, every piece of it will get used. I'm going to put a link to his channel down below. If you like guitar repair work, check him out. He's very good at what he does. And you might pick up a few tips from him. And Zip, thanks a bunch. Thank you guys for watching, keeping it here. I don't know what the hell this is. Someone tell me what that is. I've seen this before. I know I've seen it before. And this other half of it, if you can see that, it's got two screws there. You see how it's made that way? I think you can see it. What is that, man? What it is? Thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers. What is that? See what I mean? See it better under this light. I've seen that before. I've seen that right there before on something. I don't know what. Does it go together like that? Or maybe like, it don't go like that. And you got that screw there. One screw. Two screw holes in the end of this. What is that, man? You guys know what this is? Put it in the comments. You might be able to tell me before I talk to Zip again. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's used for. But I've seen it before. I know I have. I don't know. Cheers.